Okay, Carter, y'all. What do y'all have? Y'all have kitties? Okay, can y'all don't blow the bubbles because the cat, they scared of the, ooh. Where is the cat? Don't let him go that way. Can't get him. Get him, King. You don't want the cat to scratch you. Hi, kitties. Where is that cat?
No!
Can't get him.
Okay, it's over there.
Uh-oh. Well, yeah, we'll be back. We don't want the cat to go anywhere.
I can do it. I can do it. Come on, baby kitty.
The cats are under the truck. You gotta. Hey, kitty.
Gotta get this kitty. I want to get the cat scratched.
Where are you guys going? Kitty, can you go?
I know. Stronger. You got one? No. Got the other one. King, get the. I got the other one.
Where the other one at? What, King? Come here. Bring the cat over here. Okay, put the cat down.
The kitty can't go on.
Carter, you got the other one?
No. You got it. Good.
King, no, don't put the cat on Carter now. They scratch. Carter, where you got the cat?
No. I got
It's under the truck. Who you guys? These cats, they are. Where'd the cat go?
I got it in the truck. The cat can't.
I'm trying to see.
I'm going under there.
Is both of them under there? No, don't go under there, King.
Oh. Carter, don't go under there. My mom said don't go under there. I'm walking for you. Come get a flower.
Both of them under there, y'all?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a hard work.
It's hard work, isn't it? Well, guys, we'll be right back. We have to get the cats from under the vehicle. We'll be right back. Okay, you guys, we have caught the cats. Ooh, it was rough. Tell them it was rough catching the cats, y'all.
It was rough catching the cats. It's gonna scratch me.
It's gonna scratch you? Okay,
I
y'all.
gotta put it down.
Okay, y'all, let's go put the cats in the cage.
I gotta get the cat.
Carter, on, we gotta go around back. Come on, we gotta go around back. King, don't let the cat scratch you, King.
I believe I can fly.
Go. Just hold it. Just walk right behind Carter. And guys, we'll be right back.
Did you tell me to go?
Okay, you guys, we have got the cats and they are back in the cage.
You say go?
Cute little boo-boos, aren't they?
Mom, did you say go?
King is gonna blow some bubbles to see how they like bubbles.
The cat likes
They don't like bubbles. No. Okay, King, that's enough. The cats do not like bubbles. Kitties! Stop, King, that's enough.
Okay.
They are some cute little cats.
Yeah. The cat does.
Yeah, they got a little house.
I'm gonna go watch something.
Hello, kitties. Hey, Pookies. Hey, cutie pies. Hey, cutie pies. Y'all not gonna say hey? Okay, bye-bye.